In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to reset the service light of the GLC300 2021 model. We get into the car. Please pardon the shaky video as I'm recording it myself. So we start by pressing the start button just once. So we make sure we're on the trip. You want to have your trip displayed on there. Then we press this and this together for a few seconds. Then we press the middle one. So we press these two buttons together for a few seconds. Then we hit the third one to bring up this display. I know it's a bit complicated, but you have to get the rhythm right. So these two for a few seconds, we count for about 5 seconds. Then make sure you don't release this two. Then you hit the center one to bring up this display. Then you go to the Assist Plus. Say switch on ignition to activate Assist Plus. So we turn on the ignition. Alright, so then you scroll down to full service. Then we're doing the confirm service, we're doing all. And you pick the oil grade. Depending on your region and the oil you used, pick the oil grade you're going to be servicing with. Service carried out, yes. Service cannot be undone, confirm. So once you hit the confirm button, then it will reset your service. Alright, so thank you for watching. If you have any question, please feel free to drop in the comment section. Please subscribe, and thank you for watching.